The ChatGPT desktop app is here. And here are 10 incredible things you can do with it. Number 1, power dictation. Here's a comparison to show its power. ChatGPT versus iPhone. Just press the small microphone next to the prompt box and start talking. Hey, ChatGPT, I need to go down to the cellar to check if the laundry is ready. Last time I had some trouble with I can't remember the English word because I'm from Germany. The German word is Waschmaschine. Last time it was broken and my laundry wasn't ready in time. ChatGPT understands everything, even if you switch languages mid-sentence. In contrast, the iPhone struggles to keep up and often loses track. Next, we have voice conversations. You can now have natural voice conversations with ChatGPT desktop app. Ask questions and get real-time answers effortlessly. Just press the headphone symbol next to the prompt input field and start talking. If you need more time to think, simply press the button in the middle. For example, hey ChatGPT, I need a good friend to talk.
Hey Thomas, I'm here for you. What's on your mind today?
You know what? My wife left me.
I'm really sorry to hear that, Thomas. That must be incredibly tough. Do you want to talk about what happened or how you're feeling right now?
I just feel bad. I don't know what to do.
It's completely natural to feel that way. Breakups can be really overwhelming. Do you have anyone close by you can talk to in person? Sometimes sharing with a friend or family member can help a lot.
Next, you can ask ChatGPT questions about what's happening on your computer screen. Simply click here to take a screenshot and then ask, hey ChatGPT, can you please explain what my accountant means and write a draft for an email response? And ChatGPT will not only explain this email, but also write a draft for a response. Please note that ChatGPT can make mistakes and that you should always double check the information. Next, you can use ChatGPT to spot fake content. First, resize the app to make it as small as possible and place it in the top right corner. Then, click the menu bar and select Keep ChatGPT on top. Now you can keep ChatGPT open and interact with it while having your screen free for other tasks. Let me visit this website here and ask some questions. Hey ChatGPT, are the pictures on this website real or fake?
The pictures on this website appear to be highly retouched and digitally enhanced. Some images seem to be the same base picture with different lip colors applied digitally, likely using a tool like Photoshop. For example, the shades Candy K and Sister Sister appear to use the exact same photo with only the lip color changed. This suggests that the images are not simple, natural photos, but have been digitally manipulated.
And what about the reviews here on this website? Just a second, let me scroll down. What about the reviews?
Sure, take your time. Once you have scrolled down and are ready, let me know about the reviews you see, and I can provide my thoughts on whether they seem real or fake.
Okay, here are the reviews.
Thanks for sharing. Based on the reviews, it seems like there is a mixture of both real and fake comments. 1. Legit reviews. Some comments seem genuine, providing specific experiences, detailed descriptions, and varying tones. These reviews often mention particular aspects of the product and personal experiences. 2. Potentially fake reviews. Other comments might appear suspiciously generic, overly positive, or repetitive in their praise.
Next, you can use ChatGPT to learn a new program. Hey ChatGPT, I want to learn video editing. This is the first time I have this program open. What program is it? And where should I click to import some footage?
You are using DaVinci Resolve Studio 18.6. To import footage, follow these steps. 1. Look at the bottom of the screen and click on the Media tab. It looks like a film strip. 2. Once in the media page, locate the media pool panel on the left side. 3. Right-click inside the media pool panel and select Import Media. 4. Browse your computer to find the video files you want to import and click Open. This will import your footage into DaVinci Resolve so you can start editing.
Okay, I just imported my first clip. What should I do now to edit this clip?
Great job importing your first clip. Now let's start editing. Step 2. Create a new timeline. 1. Create a new timeline. Right-click on your imported clip in the media pool. Select Create New Timeline using selected clips. In the dialog box, you can name your timeline and adjust any settings if necessary. Then click Create. Step 3. Add clip to the timeline. 1. Add clip to the timeline. Your clip will automatically be added to the timeline you just created. Click on the Edit tab at the bottom of the screen to switch to the Edit page. Step 4. Basic editing. 1. Trim and cut clips. Use the Select tool, shortcut A, to drag the ends of the clip to trim it. Use the Blade tool, shortcut B, to cut the clip at specific points. 2. Move clips. Drag the clip to different positions on the timeline to reposition it. Step 5. Play and review. 1. Play and review. Use the space bar to play and pause your clip. Review the edits you have made. This will help you get started with basic editing. Let me know if you need help with anything specific.
Wow, thank you so much. Next, you can use ChatGPT to stop procrastinating. For example, hey ChatGPT, I have important work to do and I know I should do this now, but for some reason I don't do it. I'm procrastinating. Any ideas how I can beat this?
I get it. Procrastination can be tough. Here are a few tips that might help you get started. First, break your task into smaller, more manageable steps. Sometimes a task feels overwhelming because it seems too big. If you can focus on just the first small step, it might be easier to start. Remember, starting is often the hardest part. Once you take that first step, momentum will help carry you forward. What's the first small step you can take right now?
Okay, I want to edit a video, so I guess the first step is import footage into the video editing program.
That sounds like a great first step. Go ahead and import your footage into the video editing program. Once you've done that, let me know and we can break down the next steps if you need more guidance. You got this.
All right, thank you. Next, use ChatGPT to ask questions about physical things in your room. Just press here, then select Take Photo. So let's take a photo of my shoe and ask ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, you can see this shoe, the slipper on the picture I just showed you. Please search the web where I can get new ones because I lost my left one.
You can find black rubber slippers similar to the one in your picture at several online stores. For instance, Amazon has a variety of options, including different styles and prices.
Remember, we have the transcript of every voice conversation and also we do have the links. I simply need to click here on this sign and it will open the page for me. Next, use ChatGPT to organize and plan your day. As you can see, I'm pretty bad at organizing my day. I'm behind deadlines and need help. Simply take a screenshot of your calendar and say, please organize my calendar. I need some help. And ChatGPT will give you practical tips on how to organize and better plan your day. It helps me with prioritizing high-value tasks, has a great tip on flexibility to keep some time blocks open for unexpected tasks, and even ensures that I balance my work and personal life. And here's even a new schedule with tips from me on how to do it. But don't forget the power of follow-up questions. You can simply ask, please give me a file with a reviewed version of my calendar that I can import in my Apple Calendar app. And ChatGPT will give you the revised calendar and save it as a CVS file that I can now import into my Apple Calendar app. So let's download this, go to Calendar, import. Now this looks much better organized. Next, use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas with a group of inspiring people. For example, give ChatGPT the roles of 3 people you admire and brainstorm ideas for your son's upcoming 6th birthday party. For example, hey ChatGPT, you are a mastermind group of 3 people, Albert Einstein, Shakira, and Cristiano Ronaldo. Please come up with 3 affordable, fun ideas for my son's 6th birthday party that all guests will enjoy.
Sure, here's what we've come up with. Albert Einstein suggests, how about a science-themed party? Set up simple, fun experiments like baking soda and vinegar volcanoes, slime making, and balloon rockets. Kids will have a blast while learning a bit about science. You can even have a mini science show where you demonstrate some cool, safe experiments. Shakira suggests, let's have a music and dance party. You can create a playlist of fun, kid-friendly songs and have a mini dance-off. Provide simple instruments like tambourines, maracas, and drums for the kids to play along. You can also hire a local dance instructor to teach some easy, fun dance moves. Cristiano Ronaldo suggests, a sports-themed party would be awesome. Set up a mini obstacle course, relay races, and simple games like soccer or tag. You can also have a small area with goals for a mini soccer game. Don't forget medals or small trophies for everyone to take home. These ideas should be fun and engaging for all the kids while keeping things affordable.
Next, use ChatGPT to help you understand something on your computer that you are struggling with. To do this, click here, take a screenshot, and then you can ask your questions. For example, you might say, hey, ChatGPT, I need to analyze this chart and write a summary of the 5 most important takeaways by the end of the day. Can you please do this for me?
The campaign received 227 clicks and 68,300 impressions within the given time frame. The average cost per click, CPC, is $3.50 with a total cost of $700.
And of course, we do have the full transcript of this analysis and can copy and paste it. Don't forget to double check for any errors. Next, use ChatGPT to record and edit YouTube videos. You could say, create a YouTube video script with 10 tips using ChatGPT and make it 10 minutes long. Okay, just kidding, but that would be great. By the way, I have free courses and courses you can buy on my website for ChatGPT, link below in the description. Next, Power Dictation for content creation. Remember Power Dictation, the feature we discussed earlier? Now let's take it a step further. You can use ChatGPT's powerful dictation feature to create a blog article while you research ideas online. Simply keep the dictation running as you browse through various articles to gather new ideas. Open the ChatGPT desktop app, then press the small microphone icon next to the prompt box to start dictating. Then you can start researching. For example, I let ChatGPT know, hey ChatGPT, I'm currently researching the benefits of remote work. I want to create a blog article about this topic. And the things I want to include is increased productivity. And this should be the main focus of my blog article. But I also want to mention like cost savings. And then you can take all the time you need, browse through the articles while keeping the recording running, do your research, and when you're done, click the blue icon and ChatGPT has your entire thoughts recorded, no matter how long breaks were in between. Then click send, and don't forget to ask follow-up questions or follow up with additional prompts. For example, you might say, now please write a powerful introduction that makes people curious and want to read the entire blog article. And ChatGPT writes the intro for your blog article for you. Alright, subscribe and watch more tips here.